Would you like to become a content creator for Binance? Let me show you how to do it. On Binance, there is an option called Feed that allows you to see the latest crypto news. You can also become a content creator in the Feed category. Here's how to do it. Log into your Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account, you can sign up by clicking on the discounted link in the video description. After logging in, hover over the Learn tab and click on the Feed option. You will see a screen like this. Scroll down to see news from different content creators related to cryptocurrencies. If you like the content of a particular creator, you can choose to follow them. To see the accounts you are following, click on the Following button. You will find many up-to-date news articles here, including trending news. On the right side, there is a section where you can see the latest news. You can also discover many accounts to follow. At the bottom, there is even a trending topics section. You can visit the news section to see current news. Clicking on the Features section will show you new developments and projects in the crypto world. Now I'm returning to the Binance Feed homepage. As you can see, I am a Binance Feed content creator. You can use this space to share news or articles. You will see this screen when you log into Binance Feed. To become a Binance Feed content creator, use the Application section in the top right. You'll need to fill out a form and submit it to the Binance team. If your application is approved, you will be allowed to become a content creator. I return to my own screen. In the top right, I want to click on Creator Center. Here, I can see the articles I've published and my statistics. Also here, I can visit many options related to my creative account. Being a content creator is essential. If you have a following and people who appreciate your content, it can be very beneficial. Binance Feed is a great way to engage with the crypto community easily. It's quite advantageous and significant. So, I recommend both following the news and becoming a content creator. That's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.